Hello and welcome. We are Jamie and Lisa, and this is Gertie, our wonderful home on wheels. Join us as we take you along for the journey. Subscribe to our channel and join our adventures.
It's time to get up. It's a beautiful day.
What are you doing back in bed? I thought you told me to get up.
We don't have to get up right away.
Solar power coming in.
Guess I only hit the snooze. Stop. Time to get up and make some coffee.
Let me find my socks. Always kick them off at night. After some much needed coffee and a breakfast brunch, we headed out to get some exercise.
So 4-2.
Are you cheating?
Nope, never.
I don't know if I trust you. Can't wait to share with you guys in a future video. I'm not sure if it'll be next week, but we'll try. We've been doing some volunteer hours on a organic farm, and we're having such a good time here. So I look forward to sharing that with you guys soon. In the meantime, just give you a little tour of where we've been hunkering down. And you see Jamie's into the games with Billy. We're here with Billy and Ashley from Bus ADM. They're on Instagram as well. And so there's Gertie. And this is where we're at. Literally down by the river. Let me see if I can show you this way. Take you around, and that's the other side. You want to explain to me what happened here?
Okay, so what we have here are wet socks and wet shoes. It's also known as the unstable riverbank. I was standing on the riverbank on some rocks, and literally the rocks just crumbled underneath, and I went from standing to sitting right at the water's edge up to my knees in water. So socks, shoes, everything soaked.
And where was I when this was happening?
Don't know.
Did anybody know you were down by the river?
No. I could have been washed away if you look at how quickly the river's running. I could have ended up in the States.
Oh, they don't listen. Anyway, at least he's safe. So this is where he ended up. He was playing around here. He was standing on some rocks down there, I guess. And he ended up in the water. For now, we will continue to embrace this fork in the road, giving back to the farm, learning and getting our hands dirty. In our future videos, we will share with you the chores we are able to help out with. Thank you for spending this time with us. We never know where the road will lead us to. Remember to join us every Thursday and Sunday as we continue to share our journey. Please remember to also like, subscribe, and share. Cheers!